happy birthday! Musta ka na? Musta na kayo ni Waki dyan? Wish ko sa'yo, lagi kang healthy at masaya. Ingat kayo palagi ni Waki dyan ha. I miss you. I love you. God bless. Bye!
Happy birthday, Gigi! Ingat kayo dyan, ha? Sana malusog si Waki, saka ikaw. Kumanda pa ang katawan ni Waki. Sana mag-umalik kahit paano. Happy birthday, Gigi!
Send mo kay ano yan?
Hi, Roseline! Good morning! Happy birthday to you! More blessings! More birthdays to come! God bless you always!
Huwag yung pang-artista, yung totoo.
We miss you!
Yung totoong mga...
Love you! Happy birthday!
Sana.
Good luck always!
Sana.
Ano naman ako yung Tagalog? Hello, Line! Kumusta na? Happy birthday. Ang wish ko laging maging maayos ang kalagayan niyo dyan. I wish you all the best. Happiness. At alam ko naman, lagi kang beautiful inside and out. Maraming salamat at nakilala kita through AJ at na isama mo ako sa iyong set of friends. Salamat lalo na nung inalalayan mo kami. Ikaw ang nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ang loob para makakuha ng US visa. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Salamat ng marami. Enjoy lang. Stay beautiful, healthy, para sa'yo, kay Waki, at sa partner mo. Happiest birthday. I'm grateful and thankful na kilala kita through AJ. Ingat. Bye.
Hi, Line. Happy birthday. Stay healthy, happy. Enjoy your day. Waki, so lucky to have you. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Sending you my long distance hugs and kisses. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Gigi. My sweet and beautiful at pinakamabait kong inaanak. Sana huwag ka magbago. Lagi mo ako naaalala. Lagi mo ako binibigyan ng vitamins. Sana more blessings to you. Nakahanap ka na ng BF na gwapo at mabait. Enjoy your vacation. See you soon. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Gigi!
Usa Waki!
Happy birthday!
Julia, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Say happy birthday!
Dali, say happy birthday, Muso! Dali!
Tita.
Celebrate tayo pagbalik mo.
See you, Ate.
See you!
Happy birthday, Ate Mare.
Like this, like this, like this. Muso! Muso!
Hi, Teacher Nine. Happy birthday. May the Lord bless you with long life and good health. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. I am happy for you.
Hello, Ate Line. It's your big day. Happy 18th birthday, Chos. Simula na nagkakilala tayo, parang tumigil na yung age mo sa 18 years old. So, 18 ka na lang lagi. So, I'm so happy, ate. And I'm so blessed na nakilala kita through Mamo RG. So, sobrang nakakamiss yung magkakasama tayo ni Sis AJ sa events. So, medyo alam mo na nga lang ang lola mo ay natapon na sa isla, sa Masbate. So, medyo Dito na nag-stay ang lola mo, dito nakahanap ng pag-ibig. But, ang mas magandang namarites ko ngayon, ikaw daw ay may pag-ibig na, and I'm so very happy, ate. I wish you all the best, and of course, sana ate makilala ko yung iyong iniirog. Gusto ko siyang ma-meet, and then sana pagbalik mo, makapag-banding ulit tayo together with Ma'am RG, together with Sis AJ. Wish ko ate, gumanda ka pa ng gumanda, sumeksi ka pa ng sumeksi, para may inspiration ako parate. So, medyo hindi tayo lately na nakakapag-usap kasi medyo alam mo na busy din ang sister mo. So, but I always keep you in my heart. Maraming salamat for coming into my life, ate. Again, uulitin ko, I'm so blessed to have you, the Galguera family. Sobrang miss ko na kayo. And ingat ka dyan, stay pretty, and keep the love burning. Sana ate, marami ka pang mapasaya like me, the family. We're so blessed to have you. And ingat ka palagi ate. I love you and I so miss you. Miss na kita ate. Big hugs and ingat ka dyan sa iyo. See you! Maraming salamat ate. I love you again.
Hello, Mare! Kumusta ka na? Namimiss na kita sobra. Miss ko na yung banding natin sa classroom. Today, on your birthday, I wish all the best and good wishes on your birthday. And hopefully, all your wishes will be granted. And soon, sana makapag-banding tayo. Ingat kayo lagi dyan ni Waki. And happy birthday! Ingat lagi! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Lai! More success in life. Regards to Waki. God bless!
Happy birthday, Line! Happy birthday! God bless you! Bye! Ingat palagi!
Ate G, happy birthday! Miss na namin kayo ni Waki. We hope na you're okay there and always take care of yourself. And si Waki, syempre, praying for your happiness and good health. Sa ingat siya lagi and see you soon. Take care!
Hi, BF! Happy golden birthday! I just dropped by to wish you the happiest of birthdays and may you always have the love and happiness you truly deserve. Ingat ka palagi and I hope to see you really soon. Alam mo naman, distance is not a problem to us, but the budget. I love you, BF! Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Love you.
Happy birthday, Teacher Lai. Say happy birthday to Teacher Lai. Happy birthday, Teacher Lai. Happy birthday, Teacher Lai. You sing daw, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Gigi.
Happy birthday, Tita
Ano message mo? Ingat kayo mag-inariyan. God bless. See you.
Hello ate, musta dyan? Miss ko sa'yo. Malakas na pangangatawan, saka si Waki. And more blessing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate G. Take care always and to your family. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Ate G.
Ate G.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sis! Wow, golden girl! Of course, pero pretty pa rin ang face. Happy birthday, sis. More birthdays to come and stay happy. And sana masundan na si Waki. Happy birthday, sis! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wait lang, baby.
Happy birthday! Stay young and pretty. We miss you.
Rosa, happy birthday. Uwi ka na nga. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi ka. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi. Uwi ka na. Ngayamot mo ako. Uwi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss you.
You sing happy birthday. Sige na
Happy
daw.
birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss you.
Birthday!
Happy
Teacher
birthday, Mama
Lai.
Gigi. We miss you.
Ay, flying kiss na lang daw. Flying kiss.
Happy birthday, Mama Gigi.
Flying kiss,
We
Teacher
miss
Lai.
you. Happy birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss you. Happy birthday, Mama Gigi. We miss